Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Mayor, City of North Las Vegas, John Lee. Let's hear it for him one more time, please. All right, this project has many components that will positively impact the safety of our community. The installation of a new traffic signal at Gallen Road, bus turnouts, street lights, and sidewalk improvements are just some of the ways our commuters, transit riders, and pedestrians will benefit from this critical project. The Regional Flood Control District has been instrumental in this project. We don't often appreciate the underground flood drainage because we don't see it. But that flood control infrastructure is so critical to the safety of our communities, and we tend to not take it for granted. The RFCD is a major funding partner on this project, ensuring that we have needed flood control measures in place to keep this roadway and the neighborhood and schools that surround it safe. It's my pleasure to introduce you to the Regional Flood Control District General Manager. Everybody please welcome Mr. Steve Parrish.
Thank you very much. I'd like to start off by thanking Cheyenne High School and the marching band and the cheerleaders. Aren't they great? I've never been to an opening like this before, so that's awesome. We like to think of our Simmons Street Storm Drain project as a lot like Cheyenne High School's mascot, the Desert Shields. Our flood control portion of this project will help shield the community from flood problems. This project's been a major coordinated effort with multiple agencies. I'd like to thank Mayor Lee for his leadership in North Las Vegas and for his service on our board of directors at the Flood Control District. We also frequently work with Clark County. We have many projects with them. That's a credit to the positive leadership from commissioners such as Lawrence Weekly, so thank you. Thank you. I'd also like to thank the Regional Transportation Commission staff, and in particular their General Manager, Tina Quigley, for working hard to combine their roadway projects with our flood control projects. This is really a 2-for-1 bonus for the community. Meaning that we only have to dig this roadway up once and we get both the flood control and the roadway project done in one project. It saves time, it saves money, and it benefits the motorists who use this roadway every day. About $13.5 million was spent on the flood control portion of this project. The work included installation of very large box culverts. These box culverts that you're actually standing on right now are 18 feet wide and they're 6 feet high. There's 2 rows of them placed side by side all the way down Simmons Street. You can actually drive a small truck through these box culverts, although I wouldn't recommend that when it's raining. You may be wondering why we needed to build such a large structure under the road. For those of you who lived in Las Vegas for a while, you may remember a large flood that impacted this area up in the Northwest in 2003. This storm produced a significant amount of flow. Most of the rainfall drained down Gallen Road, which is just south of us, south of where we're standing. Many homes and businesses were flooded during this storm event. Lots of cars were swamped, and there were swift water rescues that had to take place. Several facilities have been constructed since that storm in 2003 to help reduce the flooding in this area. This storm drain here in Simmons Street is the downstream end of another one of those facilities. This box culvert will eventually be extended with future phases to the west up Alexander all the way past US 95 and will collect major storm flows and convey them safely through the city and on out to the Las Vegas Wash to the east. These drainage improvements will benefit businesses and residents in this area as well as make the roadway safer for motorists. Every flood control facility that we build makes the community just a little bit safer. We're very proud of this project. We think it's a great project for the city, and we're happy to do our part to assist North Las Vegas in their progress towards a flood resilient community. Thank you very much.